don't give in. Yeah. Miles and miles you will have been.
Hello everybody, it's Suffy Andy here with Weggy and
Rob
and Carl and John. Come on, and John and Dave at the Copdock Bike Show. Hello. There you go.
Just park this up in the living room, watch fucking in between us.
Yeah.
You say why? The simple reason is because they can.
Yeah, they don't mean they should.
No, they can.
I like the on.
Oh. What is that?
That's your introduction. Hard to pay attention to operation of a motorcycle. Could have resulted in injury or death. Really?
That's touchscreen as well.
Should I? Yeah.
If I'm right inside, bloody hell.
Free time. I don't know what you're doing.
Give us a big smile, Amy. Amy's been converted. What? Sorry, mate. She's now a Harley rider. Look at that, look.
Yeah.
Rob wants one.
I like them.
And says this is his mate. What? Your legs forward? Yeah, like that. Well, put your hands on the steering wheel. Steering wheel. They're like a steering wheel, aren't they, really? What do you reckon of names? You are? Yeah, of course it is.
Again, not for any distance because there's a big vibe. No.
I love it.
Shall I tell you guys a story? I remember this one time.
Is it Weggy's campfire talk, is it?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's going.
I can remember when I was a boy, before motorbikes were invented. £299.
Shout out to Aaron and Ashley for this one.
Yeah.
KTM.
Yeah.
Yep.
The boys will be drooling up here at this.
Yeah.
12.9 St Hines.
Hey Andrew,
What?
this place looks really good.
Really good. Really good, this place. I tell you, Rob's going to get a Harley. It's going to happen.
Yeah, probably got that air suspension on and lifts up.
It's much like this.
Bike, Amy.
Yeah?
Bike I always wanted.
You always want
When I was a youngster, I couldn't afford it. They were too much money. Yeah. So we had to have old crappy bikes, and all these were all like these lovely Kawasaki triples and trebles and whatever. We all wanted one. I think that was the one I wanted. 750.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I wanted that.
It's quite interesting. See you later.
1984 that one. 1984.
Oh, I could get on my own, couldn't I?
Yeah, look at them, eh?
Oh, they're so flat though. That would be what would put me off. They're just a bench, really.
They're only 50cc by the looks of them. Yeah, little 50.
I mean, they're kind of cute in their own way.
Yeah, fizzies. I think it's called fizzies or something.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would make sense.
Where's it gone?
Feel right on that, Amy? Little monkey bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, whip down the road on that, go to the shops.
Oh, look, it does 50 mile per hour.
Yeah.
Wow.
I want to do 10. Yeah, we know it's exaggerating.
Yeah.
50 mile per hour for adding humongous wheels.
Bringing back this was in the 80s, the old CZ. And Stuart Nunn was the work CZ rider.
Really?
Yeah. And he had Chippenham motocross track. And I went over there one Thursday night after work. Dave Bickers was there with the new CZ. And he said to me, your bike can make me ride it.
Official. I found Suffolk Andy's new ride. I love it. At least it's not a turban.
Well, everybody, I've decided today that I'm going to buy myself one of these. What?
We want sidecars.
I'm going to buy one of these because I think my missus would fit in there quite nicely. Okay, Pauline, this is just for you, darling. I'm going to get you one.
You had this in your childhood, didn't you? This was yours back in the day, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was Weggy's back in the day.
Was it?
Yeah, Weggy's first bike.
Was that before he had a love affair with turtles?
I think so, yeah. Weggy's first bike. So hello, Weggy boy. Well, everybody, that's another Copdock bike show. Had a fantastic day with all the boys. Been really good. My legs are killing me. Done a hell of a lot of walk. We must have walked fucking 20 miles. It's a big old show. I'd say it was about 50% down than last year. I know the weather has been not good today, but it hasn't rained, and it's been quite pleasant. In fact, inside some of the buildings that was quite warm. So can I say to all the boys and girls who came on the ride today and to the show, great to see you all. That's what I like, and we had a fantastic time. So with that, leaving the show. All ride safe. Love each other. Suffolk Andy.